1 second. So both of these two guys are married.
They are?
Mm-hmm.
Do they live together?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. And what are their names?
I don't have a name for them yet.
No.
Not yet.
Have you been thinking of them?
Yeah.
What, like what?
Like Emma.
That would be a good name.
June.
Emma and June? Okay. Those two guys are named Emma and June. And they're married.
No. Les and June.
Les?
And yeah.
Les and June. And they're married.
And they are married.
Okay. And tell me about the helicopter.
So the helicopter is rescued, and this is also rescued. The helicopter rescues his wife.
Oh.
You see, this guy can rescue really cool because it goes on the bottom, and when it lands, it drops right down, and that, and she thinks that's fun, like, woo, like that.
Nice.